Ulat jong ka jela kat kum ka jing betha jong ka Meghalaya High Court la thau ya ka komiti ka bakar pang ban ai jingmut sya ka sarkar Haka bayadei bat ka jing pen khu ya ki kiwa ha ka jela. U chief conservator jong ka tanat badai pe ya ki mrat klau u PR marak badairu usketri jong ka ne ka komiti ula ong bakila dep ban ya syong jingyalang shiesin bat ha ka ne ka jingyalang kala long bakila menjor ban pe ya ki kiwa ha ka jela. Habakran hakilat pathai khubor menta kasngi ula ong bakidon shibun ki kenhun ki bapet ya ka jingpen khu ya ki kiwa henrei ka ne ka long ban lumlang ya baro ki kenhun hakawe ka shatri ban ya pet lang ya ka ne ka jing layathu na ka jing jurep jong ka National Green Tribunal kala syam bah Meghalaya ki don nyau Tylli ki wa ki Jaboh bat kita ki long ka wa kra sherpi kerho kla nanba trau lukla bat ka mentedu na kaliang jong katanat klau kala pen kre kumno ban yada bat ban pen khu ya kine kiwa.
Number 10 of 2019, according to the direction of the High Court, the state government has notified one committee known as the Expert Committee for Restoration and Protection of Water Bodies in the state. The committee consists of the Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and Home as its chairman, Sri Nabapratap Bhattacharya, Chairman of State Expert Appraisal Committee Meghalaya as expert member, Srimati Dakina Rabha, Scientist B, Central Groundwater Board Shillong, expert member, Professor Arup Kumar Sharma, Civil Engineering Department, Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Guwahati, as expert member, Sri Anand Malikavat, Lake Conservationist, Bengaluru, as expert member, Mr. Larsing Savyan, Founding Chairman, Meghalaya Tourism Development Forum, expert member, Mr. Jorba J. Lalu Kolni, co-founder of Campfire Trail Shillong and co-author of book Rivers of Meghalaya, as an expert member, and myself, Chief Conservator of Forest Wildlife, as the member secretary of the expert committee, and regional director, Central Pollution Control Board Shillong, as a member, and member secretary, Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, who is also a member. The terms of reference of the committee is to advise the state government on measures to be taken for restoration and conservation and protection of water bodies in the state. To advise the state government to chalk out long-term and short-term measures of restoration and protection of water bodies in the state. To advise state government on the latest technology and methods used for cleaning and rejuvenation of water bodies. To advise the state government in preparing the action plan for restoration of water bodies. Accordingly, the expert committee had its first meeting on 20th of this month, and few decisions are taken. And being the first meeting, we have preliminary discussion only how to go about, how to categorize the water bodies, and how to identify the polluted threats of the water bodies, and to take necessary action, to advise the state government to take necessary action accordingly. So, in the meeting, the expert committee has already approved one press note, and which will be releasing today. And now I request Srimati Anu to read out the. We have mainly decided how to categorize the water bodies and how to identify the stretches of polluted waters and all this thing. Yeah, and we have sought the information from the Deputy Commissioner to give all details, and we are still awaiting for the reply from the Deputy Commissioners.
DFO Forest Utilization. So press note on the constitution of the Expert Committee on Restoration and Protection of Water Bodies. The Expert Committee was constituted on 23rd June 2022 in accordance with the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya in the PIL number 10 of 2019. in Recleanliness of Umiam Lake versus State of Meghalaya, the order dated 3/6/2022. The mandate of the committee is to advise the state government on measures to be taken for restoration and protection of water bodies in the state. This involves the drawing out of long-term as well as short-term measures for restoration of water bodies. The latest technology and the methods used for cleaning and rejuvenation of water bodies will also be examined, and accordingly, the action plan for restoration of water bodies will be prepared, incorporating the various factors. By its previous order, that is order dated 23rd of February 2022, the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya has extended the scope to all the water bodies in the state. So there is a need of convergence of the various water bodies, including the rivers, streams, lakes, ponds, tanks and wetlands. And when it comes to rivers, the National Green Tribunal has initiated the original application on the river rejuvenation based on news item dated 17th of September 2018 in the Hindu newspaper under the heading "More river stretches are now critically polluted."